looks like he's having a nice dream. Wake up!
I really don't like the look of your face.
What the hell are you staring at?
I bite first. Ask questions never.
Yo, guess what I had for breakfast? Haha.
You disgust me.
You're not so big. I can take you.
Back the hell up, Fluffball.
Fluffy doesn't mean friendly, pal.
Haha! What you gonna do about it?
I'm warning you. Quit it.
What the hell is wrong with you?
What died in there?
I'm out of here.
Oh my god, he's going to kill me.
Be very afraid.
I wonder if cat tastes like chicken.
Not the head. Release me, you idiot!
Back off, you dumb dog. Leave my mom alone.
I've come for your soul.